That's a fish. Well, I'm using a whole bait setup. This is a squaw fish from Zimmer's, and treble hook, probably a 1/0, and then 2 egg sinkers, ounce a piece. So I got 2 ounces, swivel about a 3-foot leader, a bead I put on so the weight's coming down on the swivel don't mash the knot and break off at that point. So. Then we take 2 rubber bands. Yellow seems to be working this morning, using yellow and red. I think Mark's using regular brown ones, but the yellow's got more bites than the one with red. So anyway, your 3 treble hooks are hooked in there. The line's coming out here. And well, there's what we got. We got 2 sinkers and about 3 foot of line. This just goes over, these lay on the bottom, this kind of floats around, and the wave action just floats you up and down. Got it. The old man way of doing it. Sit on your butt and, oh, this is a pretty good fish. Oh, head shaking.
What's going on, Jim?
Oh.
Got another one? Nice one.
Yeah.
How long is it, Jim?
29 inches, makes the slot, so we're going to smoke him.